Krystal. I'm 18 and I had rhinoplasty 6 months ago. Ever since I can remember, I've always been bothered by my nose. It was really wide and really frustrating because I couldn't fit my glasses on. I was very self-conscious about my nose. Like in pictures, I would always like do a side view because it was like really wide in the front. So I finally decided to get a rhinoplasty, and I waited a couple years because I was young when I decided. And the night before, I was looking up YouTube videos because I was so nervous. Like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna go through? And then these poor girls, when I looked them up, they're like swollen, and like one girl even had bloodshot eyes, and like they were just suffering. So that really freaked me out. But the day of the surgery, Dr. Newen, he took me in for consultation. He asked me, what do you want exactly? I told him I wanted thinner, of course, and I wanted a bridge and a little up right here. And he's like, perfect, okay. And he marked me off, and I got ready for surgery. And I mean, at that point, I was still really nervous, but the staff, they're just really, really nice and friendly. Like, it really calmed me down. And well, after that, I just remember getting rolled into a room and falling asleep. When I woke up, there was no pain. I was so relieved. There's no pain at all. But I was just really sleepy. And I was like that for the first 2 days. It wasn't bad at all. Like, there was bruising and swelling, but not as much as I expected. It was really good. And it's not like the first 2 days were the worst days of my recovery. It was just the days I felt the most discomfort. It's more like congestion than pain. And it was exactly 1 week later, I was able to get my splint off, and it was beautiful because I was so happy. It was really thin and pointed up, and the best was still to come, Dr. Newen said, because it was still swollen. And I was like, what? It's still swollen? It's beautiful. And sure enough, after a couple weeks later, it would get smaller and smaller, and tip would go up, and I was really happy. I went back to school 2 months after that, and people say I looked younger. I mean, I'm 18, but still, they say I looked younger, and I was happy about that, and that it looks pretty and it complements my face. I was like, oh, I was really happy. And now I could take pictures and I could wear my glasses, and yeah.